Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a funny lock that I received from Crispey Bear. So Chris, thank you very much for this interesting dimple lock. It's from a company I've never seen before, so this shoe horse logo I've not yet seen. Very nice. That's the bitting on the key. Two very deep cuts and 1, 2, 3, 4 low cuts. So it's a 6-pinner. Works, yeah, nice and smooth. Locked up. Okay, so let me try to pick it. I use 2 tension wrenches because at some point in the picking process I need a manual counter rotation. So let me zoom in. First I will start with a medium flag. So pin 1 is springy, pin 2 is springy, pin 3 gotta click and I turn on the core. 4 also gave me a turn on the core. 5 and got a good false set. Now my pick is stuck, and now I know pin 1 is a spool. You can see the counter rotation, but usually it just stops here when I push the pin and it didn't come any further, so I tried to manually what I did now, manually help the plug to the counter rotation, and now I'm not sure if I lost my false set. I think so. Okay. I think I got it back. Now I got it back. So now there's one more spool to go. Not sure if I got it. Check all the other pins because I lost my full set. It still needs to be picked. I help with the other tension wrench. I hope that I could set it. I think I've overset another pin, so I released tension and it came back. And now, let's see if I can get back my full set, or the lock would even open. That doesn't look good. So I release tension again, and now let's see. And got a false set again, so there is still that spool that needs to be picked. And here we are, it's the same spool as before, and I help counter rotation. I hope that I got it this time. And now I try not to overset a pin, but to set the pin that has popped up, because the full set is gone. And open. Wow, hehe. yeah, it's a really tough pick, at least for me. So these spools give great feedback, but without manual counter rotation, well, I was not able to get them set. So now let's see how this guy opens. Don't know if there's a clip. Ah, there is one at the side of the thumb turn. But, here it is also a clip, so I'll get my clip remover. Hope this will work. So let's see. Turn it this way so it won't lock up again automatically. So maybe I can remove the clip this way. Yep, it comes off. Okay, clip is gone. And now I take my pinning shoe to secure the drivers. Okay, and now I will pull it out. So let's see. Okay. Okay, let's hope for the best. Okay, plug is out, and here we can look inside the lock. And now I will try to carefully get out the drivers. Oh, this doesn't work too well. Haha, two drivers are out already, so this turns out to become a mess. Okay, so the last three are standard, then we have spool, and something else. That wasn't too good. Tweezers, pinning tray. So the last three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, were standard pins. And then we have 3 spools. We'll get a close-up to those drivers just in a moment. And yeah, here are the key pins. Upside down. So that's 4, 5, and 6. This way. And now the springs to complete the picture. Okay, here we are. Let's have a close look at the pins. So we can see standard pins as drivers and key pins, except for 1, 2, and 3 as drivers. They are very nicely made long spools that gave me the trouble with the counter rotation. So very well made lock. Here is the plug, nothing special in the chambers of the plug, and the Bible, shine a light on it, also nothing special. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Chris, thank you very much for this interesting pick, and everybody else, yeah, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.